Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S Ultra. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app. Enter menu and go to settings. Go to Google Assistant, voice match, and enable Hey Google function. Tap next, more, agree, next. And now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that assistant responses on lock screen are enabled, and then simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be cloudy with a high of 60 and a low of 45.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.